Hello viewers, welcome back to Skyrider Electric's YouTube channel. Now if you scroll down about a month back to our YouTube video feeds, you may find a 6-seater electric golf cart, a newer facelifted version of the 2024 Tourista 6-seater electric golf cart. Now today we have the 6-seaters higher spec variant, or rather you may call it a sport variant of the 6-seater electric golf cart, the Tourista 2024. So let's move ahead with the video and dig in what's new in the sport variant of the Tourista 2024. Starting with the front fascia of the vehicle, there are certain changes, though minute, you are going to find that are going to distinct the vehicle from the normal variant. The sport variant has minute changes that are distinctive yet very subtle. Now, if you look at the headlamps, now over here you may find out these headlamps have now got blacked out bezels. Now, when you see it from a distance, it definitely gives you a different sort of smoked out headlamp sort of feel. So both these headlamps have now blacked out bezels over here. Now, if you come down to the body, to the paint quality, to the type of paint used over here, it is definitely a lot more premium and it is very much likely to get cleaned very quickly. Now, the front bumper guard, it has been always there. It had been in the previous model and now in this model as well, and there have been not a lot of changes that has been made to the front bumper guard. Now, if you go slightly up towards the face of the vehicle, you find these big mirrors out here that make quite a statement and also offer a view of what's around. Now, when we are going into the interior of the vehicle, we will show you what exactly the output of the mirrors is like. Coming to the side of the vehicle, definitely here is a very big and bright change, I would say, which I definitely love it personally. Now, the biggest change which I like over here is this particular sill plate. Now, these are stainless steel side sill plates that are illuminated. Now, we will also give you a short clip of what it looks at night in order to have you an idea of how beautiful this vehicle looks from the side. Now, if I come to the tires, these are completely alloys. These are 205 50 10 tough tires, 2-terrain tough tires. So this comes with alloy wheels, and definitely the alloy wheels enhance the style factor of the overall vehicle. Now, if you come down to the center of the vehicle, this has a blacked out body panel, again very much contemplating of the anti-skid rubber mat, which are even also insulating. Now, in case there is a short circuit in the vehicle or if anything goes wrong, then these mats are going to provide protection to the passengers from getting any kind of shocks. So definitely this is a very good feature that has been offered in the vehicle. Now, that's what I was telling. If you look at the previous model and the sport variant, there are subtle changes, and this is how the changes are. Coming to the rear half of the vehicle, or the rear section of the vehicle, definitely there is a big change in the body panel of the rear half, which is this addition of the cladding. Now, the body being white and the cladding being a darker color, black color, it definitely gives a very sporty look to the overall quality of the vehicle. Another thing which I absolutely love about the vehicle is that these rubberized coatings that have been given on the armrest. Now, previously this used to be square sort of metal pipes. Now, these pipes have been converted onto round pipes, and there have been a collapsible sort of material, rubberized material, that has been coated on this particular pipe. Now, you're going to see them on maximum metal parts of the vehicle. If you see the channels below down there, these aluminum channels, again, they look also very beautiful and have good quality. And if you come down to the rear stand, the design of the rear stand has been revamped for more surface area so that these passengers get good grip while sitting or egressing or ingressing of the vehicle. And these beautiful tail lamps, and these are integrated tail lamps By integrated, what I mean, when you turn on the indicator, this particular ring will also be glowing as the tail lamp and the indicator. That we have a complete round of what the vehicle looks from the exterior. Now let's dive deep into the comfortable interiors of the Turister Sport 2024. Now, if I come into the driver's cabin right here, again there have been good amount of changes that has been done. So let me hop onto the vehicle and tell you what are the changes that have been done inside the vehicle. So first and foremost, the seating posture. Again, you take any vehicle or any of our golf carts, you are obviously going to find very good seating comfort. Nevertheless, this vehicle is offering great amount of comfortable seating. If you talk to me in terms of seating, it is offering definitely a very good amount of comfort, be it the seats, be it the backrest. Now these seats obviously are completely laminated with some sort of design that gives you good amount of premiumness, sort of a touch of premiumness to this vehicle. Now if I talk about the seating posture is quite upright yet very comfortable. You have this agenda board steering wheel where you can clamp on your paper, where you can clamp on any sort of itinerary for your guests or menu or whatever you want to. So this is the agenda board type steering wheel. Now coming to this beautiful dashboard. Now this dashboard completely has a matte finish, a matte black colored finish with two cubby holes for placing your bottle holder. Coming to the digital instrument cluster. Now this instrument cluster has now been given a proper housing for itself, and it sits quite upright and also gives you good amount of information like your speed, distance, battery level and all of that sort, and also does not cause a lot of problem when you are out in the sunlight. So that's about the dashboard. Now coming to some more features that has been added. This is particularly a very good feature that has been added onto the vehicle, which is the illuminated USB port. Now this illuminated ring definitely helps you out to find the USB port when you are in dark. So this USB port is over right here, and this has got two particular ports so that you can charge two phones. And then you have the forward and reverse button over here so that you can switch your modes when you want to drive forward or reverse. And then you have the ignition key over here. Now the design of the ignition key has definitely been changed of what were being provided in the previous vehicles. So the ignition key is changed, and over here you have your brake pedal and the throttle pedal right here. And coming down to the position of the parking brake, the parking brake's position definitely has been gotten real better. It was previously quite hard to reach because it was being mounted on the floor, but now it has been mounted onto the body panel. It has been made like sort of a cutout into which the parking brake has been inserted, so definitely that's a lot more easy to operate now. Coming to the combination switch, the steering stock. So this steering stock is definitely has gotten shorter, definitely, which makes it more easier to access while you are driving the vehicle. And obviously it has the integrated functions, like you have your headlamp on and off functions, and you also have your indicators right here with lane change assist as well. And the horn button is present right here, and if you can hear the horn has changed. The tone of the horn has changed, and it has become more of like robust air horn sort of sound. Coming to the second row of the Turister 2024 Sport variant, definitely there's a lot of space that you can see. I can completely stand. I'm like 5'7" and I can completely stand on this vehicle. And if you have looked up, you are going to see this blacked out roof. Again, a matte finish, which is definitely giving a very good feel, a very good look of when you look up. It's definitely not a starlit roof, but yes, to a certain extent it is very good. Now on this second row of the vehicle, definitely what you're going to feel is great amount of comfort and pampering, I would say, because the seats are wide enough to accommodate even healthy persons. Even a healthy person can easily accommodate onto the seat, courtesy given the width of the seats. The backrests are really comfortable, and these particular things that I totally am in love with, these rubberized coatings on the armrest. I also have it on my side as well. So I definitely love to keep my hand on a softer thing than a harder plastic armrest. So definitely that gives me a very good feel of comfort, a very good amount of easiness that I definitely wanted, or we definitely wanted from any vehicle. Now let's check out how easy operating this particular golf cart is like. So when after you sit into the vehicle, the first task that you are going to do is definitely turn on the ignition key. Once the ignition key is turned on, you see the instrument cluster glowing up, and over here you see the vehicle shows ready. Now you have to select whether you want to go forward or reverse. So if you want to go into reverse, you have this forward reverse button right here, and if you press the reverse button, you get the reverse alarm. Now this indicates the vehicle is in reverse. So if you want to go in reverse, what you got to do is, in order to drive, you just have to disengage the parking brake right there, put your foot on the brake lever and slowly release it while pressing the accelerator. And that's how easy it is to drive this particular vehicle. Now if I have to go in forward direction, what I got to do is I simply just need to switch the vehicle up, and I am driving in forward. The phenomena is completely same. Now, for more such videos on such innovative vehicles, such beautiful vehicles, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you like the video, to hit the like button. And if you want to know more about the vehicle, or you have some queries regarding the vehicle, do feel free to put us in a comment so that we may get back to you. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you had been holding up till here, we are very much thankful. So thank you so much for being with us. I am Lokesh from Skyrider Electric, signing off with the Turister 2024 Sport Golf Cart. Thank you.